Hello, all my dear students. My name is CMA Mishweta Shrimali. Today I am going to present some career opportunities in commerce. I hope you will gain some additional knowledge in regards with the career options available for the commerce students. So let us understand this. So dear students, it is necessary to understand firstly why to choose career in commerce, as the career in commerce is known as a glorious field. If you know, everywhere there is a commerce, whether it is a service industry or manufacturing industry, whether it is government sector or private sector, everywhere there is a need of commerce. There are ample of opportunities to work in business, profession, as well as to work as an entrepreneur. It also helpful to get the knowledge of government financial policies, then industrial policies. The commerce students can gain the advantage of knowledge under share market or stock market, as well as they can see the ups and downs in the markets. There are also lots of employment opportunities available to the commerce student, and they can get a respectable job with high earnings. Let us understand the career options available in commerce. There are the professional courses like CA, CMA, CS and CFAs. There is also diploma or degree courses available like Diploma in Business Management, MBA, Master in Marketing Management, LLB. Then there is a opportunity to work in banking, finance and management sector. Actuarial science is also one of the glowing field. The students can go for competitive exams. Investment sector is also open for the commerce students. Teaching sector, there are also skill development courses under PMKVY, that is Pradhan Mantri Kaushalya Vikas Yojana. Insurance sector is also available to the students, as well as foreign trade, stock broking and investment analyst and retail sectors. So in all these sectors, a commerce student can work with a very good opportunities. Now let us know about the professional courses like CA, that is Chartered Accountant, CMA, that is Cost Accountant, and CS, that is Company Secretary. CA course, that is Chartered Accountancy course, is run by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. The website for the course is www.icai.org. On this website, you can get detailed information about this course. Company Secretary course is run by Institute of Company Secretaries of India, and the website is www.icsi.edu. And the Cost and Management Accountancy course is conducted by Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and their website is www.icmi.in. Now let us understand these courses one by one. Firstly, knowing to the course structure, there is a three-tier system for all these three professional courses like CA, CMA and CS. The first level is known as foundation level. The second level is known as executive as well as intermediate level. And the third level is known as professional or final level. Let us understand the eligibility criteria for these courses. For level 1, that is foundation, you can join the course after 10 plus 2 pass, that is after 12th pass, and it is valid for 3 years. Students from the field of arts, commerce and science can join the course with at least 50% marks. So this is the first level, which is known as foundation level. The second level is intermediate or executive level. A foundation pass student can directly enroll for executive or intermediate course, or graduate from any stream can also enroll directly to the intermediate course. That means either you have to clear foundation exam or you have to pass out graduation. The next level is third, that is professional or final level. Executive pass student can directly go for the professional or final program. Exam structures are available in December as well as in June. There is articleship of 2 or 2.5 years. It is compulsory or essential, and the system of these courses is 24 hours online facility. Another sector available for the commerce student is a banking sector. For this banking, IBPS, that is Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, is conducting the examination which is known as IBPS exam. The website is ibps.in. IBPS became an independent entity, works under RBI, and they announce positions every year in the area of clerical post, then probationary officer, post in nationalized bank, state banks and RRBs, that is regional rural banks, as well as specialized officers. Then under teaching sector also there are ample of opportunities. There are two sections, that is junior and senior. Under junior, one can go for B.Ed or B.P.Ed, and one can thereafter go for M.Ed or M.P.Ed. Under senior section, one can go for NET or SET examination, and after that they can pursue for MPhil and PhD. Another opportunity is as a LLB or LLM. Eligibility is 10 plus 2 pass student can enroll for the course, which will be having 5 years course, and thereafter you have to qualify entrance test known as common entrance admission test. Also there are some other tests of law school admission test, all India law entrance test, etc. Or graduate from any stream can also pursue 3 years course with minimum 45%. So you can go directly by 12th passing, or you can go directly with graduation. After that there are some postgraduate diploma courses available like MBA, Master in Business Administration, PGDBA, that is Postgraduate Diploma in Business Administration, PGDBM, that is Postgraduate Diploma in Business Administration. So the eligibility is graduates from any field can go for it. There is entrance examination of CAT or CET. It can be internal or it can be a distance learning, which can be opted by the students. Now there is also one renowned course is available for the commerce student, that is Chartered Financial Analyst, that is CFA. Eligibility for this course is have a bachelor's or equivalent degree in any field, be in the final year of your bachelor's degree program at the time of registration. So while registering, you can be eligible to register in the final year. Have 4 years of qualified professional work experience, or have a combination of work and college experience that can total at least 4 years. It to be noted that summer, part-time and internship positions do not qualify to having total 4 years of experience. There are some other opportunities available to the students like actuarial valuer. This can be work as a valuer for deals in case of insurance, mergers, amalgamation, and these valuers are also known as a very important part in any company. Then there are diploma courses like diploma in business management, as well as there is a diploma in masters in marketing management. Then there are stock broking courses where you can work as a stock broker, stock agent for BSc as well as. Here I have provided the list of some renowned educational institutes or colleges in India. One of that is our MVP's KTHM College, Nasik, Symbiosis Arts and Commerce College, Pune, St. Xavier College, Mumbai, Narsi Munji College of Commerce and Economics, Mumbai, KJ Somaiya College of Science and Commerce, Mumbai. Thereafter, R.A. Poddar College of Commerce and Economics, Mumbai, Hinduja College of Commerce, Mumbai, BMCC College, Pune, Neswadia College, Pune, Loyola College of Commerce, Chennai, Xavier College, Kolkata, St. Joseph College, Bangalore, as well as Presidency College, Chennai. So I hope you have got some basic idea about different career options available in the commerce stream. Thank you all.